rhymes.
A is for apple, red and round. B is for bunny who hops on the ground. C is for cat who likes to play. D is for drum, we bang all day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish who swims away. G is for goat who eats all day. H is for hat we wear to play. I is for ice, cold and nice. J is for jump, do it twice. K is for kite that flies up high. L is for lion who roars at the sky. M is for moon that shines at night. N is for nest with birds in flight. O is for owl who says hoo hoo. P is for pig who rolls in goo. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit who hops around town. S is for sun, hot and bright. T is for train that goes at night. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for van that drives away. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for silo that plays for you.